Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Reading Made Easy. Today we are going to read very interesting story, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and let us start. The name of today's story is The Unheard Songbird, and do not go anywhere. Be with me till the end of the video because we will be having a few question answers at the end. In a vast forest, there lived a beautiful songbird named Lisa. Lisa had the most melodious voice in the entire forest. She loved to sing every morning to greet the rising sun. Her songs brought joy to all the creatures that heard them. But there was one problem. Lisa was very shy. She sang only when she was sure no one was around to listen. Her songs remained unheard by most of the forest's residents. One day, a wise old owl named Oliver noticed Lisa's talent. He approached her and said, Lisa, your voice is a gift to the world, but you keep it hidden. Share your songs with others. They will cherish your music, said Oliver. Lisa was hesitant as she was shy. However, with Oliver's encouragement, she decided to give it a try. The next morning, she sang and she did not worry if anybody heard. All the animals of the forest gathered around, mesmerized by her beautiful voice. They clapped, cheered, and thanked her for sharing her gift. Lisa's shyness melted away, and she continued to sing joyfully every day. Her singing brought happiness to everyone. Moral of the story is your uniqueness is a treasure that can bring joy to others. Now let us have some questions and their answers. Question number one. Who is the main character in the story? And I hope you know the answer. Let us go to the answer. The answer is the main character in the story is Lisa, the beautiful songbird. And if you are right, then clap for yourself. Question number two. What was Lisa known for in the forest? Answer is Lisa was known for having the most melodious voice in the entire forest. And clap for yourself if you are right. Question number three. Why did Lisa keep her singing hidden? Answer is Lisa was very shy, so she sang only when she was sure no one was around to listen. Are you right? Question number four. Who encouraged Lisa to share her songs with others? Answer is wise old owl Oliver encouraged Lisa to share her songs with others, and I hope you were right. Question number 5. What happened when Lisa finally sang in front of others? The answer is when Lisa finally sang in front of others, the animals clapped and thanked her for sharing her gift. And if you are correct, clap for yourself. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and do not forget to subscribe. And let us meet in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.